Who is the first person you want to meet? The first person I want to meet is Allah, the Lord of the heavens and the earth. قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ. Say He is Allah, who is the one and only, absolutely unique. Allahu Samad, Allah the eternal refugee. لم يلد ولم يولد. He neither begets nor is begotten. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. Nor is there to him any equivalent. بَدِيعُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. He is the originator of the heavens and the earth. أَنَّى يَكُونُ لَهُ وَلَدٌ وَلَمْ تَكُنْ لَهُ صَاحِبَةٌ. How could he have a son when he does not have a wife? وَخَلَقَ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ وَهُوَ بِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ عَلِيمٌ. And he created all things, and he is of all things knowing. وَأَنَّهُ تَعَالَى جَدُّ رَبِّنَا مَا اتَّخَذَ صَاحِبَةً وَلَا وَلَدًا. And exalted is the nobleness of our Lord. He has not taken a wife or a son. بَدِيعُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَإِذَا قَضَى أَمْرًا فَإِنَّمَا يَقُولُ لَهُ كُن فَيَكُونُ. Originator of the heavens and the earth. When he decrees a matter, he only says to it, be, and it is. وَلَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ وَمَا بَيْنَهُمَا فِي 6 أَيَّامٍ وَمَا مَسَّنَا مِن لُغُوبٍ. And he did certainly create the heavens and the earth, and what is between them in 6 days, and there touched him no fatigue.